Most Senior Apostle Godfrey Loveday Osawe.
Whoa.
Apostle Fred is the founder of Shepherd and Yahweh Mega Prayer Interdenominational Ministry, a faster growing ministry church mandated at growing believers for kingdom inheritance and earth domination. For years as an entrepreneur, he has created a vast network of rendering services in the aspect of events, management planning, Eagles Kitchen. Also, he is the founder of Love Day Building, an organization responsible for acquiring landed property and building to the state and standard of client. He was born on the 14th of 02, 1993 in Edo State, Benin City. Apostle of Word also is recent time being politically involved in aspects of his state and have represented political parties times without number, as he was one time chairman of the Labour Party in Edo State, Benin City, Nigeria.